Welcome back! Do you still have the leftover rotisserie chicken from last Sunday? Today I'm going to show you how to turn a rotisserie chicken into a delicious, cozy chicken noodle soup. It's much easier to cook than you might think. Good food does not have to be complicated, and this recipe proves it. First, I break down the chicken. Separate the breast meat from the bone. I'm using half of chicken breast and all the bones. And don't throw the bones away, they are the most important part. Cut the onion into diced pieces, but not too small. Cut the celery. Slice the carrots, then cut them into quarters. Dice the chicken breast. Once the prep is done, it's so easy to cook the chicken noodle soup. In a pot, I add water and throw in all the chicken bones. Then I add black pepper. Boil for about 20 minutes. Then strain the broth and separate out the chicken bones. Look at that, I got this beautiful rich chicken broth in just 20 minutes. Add garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and some salt. This is a no-judgment soup. It welcomes everybody. I'm using Fusilli pasta for the noodles because that's what I had in my pantry. I used about 2 handfuls. You can use any pasta noodles or egg noodles depending on your preference. Keep boiling for about an hour. The longer it cooks, the deeper the flavor. The soup is almost ready, but I felt like something was missing, so I added chicken powder for more flavor. You can omit this part. Boil for a few more minutes and it's done. Enjoy your soup!